Lisbeth Salander, the righter of wrongs, the girl who had men, who had women. Do you remember that morning? For 16 years, I've been watching you. Why did you help everyone but me? Do you know where we are?
Home.
Why is it Lisbeth? Why is it spiders don't get stuck in their own webs?